Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell stocks with Fidelity. First, let's get your account set up. Opening a brokerage account with Fidelity is a straightforward process that typically takes about 10 minutes online. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your social security number, to verify your identity. Once your account is established, you can fund it with as little as $1 to start your investment journey. This initial step is crucial for accessing the trading platform and beginning to explore investment opportunities. Now that your account is ready, it's time to research potential investments. Fidelity offers a robust suite of research tools to help you make informed decisions. You can access detailed analyst reports, real-time news, and comprehensive performance data for thousands of stocks. Take your time to explore these resources and identify companies that align with your personal investment goals and risk tolerance. Understanding a company's fundamentals is key before placing any trades. With your research complete, you're ready to place a buy order. On the Fidelity platform, navigate to the Trade tab. Here, you will enter the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to purchase and specify the number of shares you want to buy. You'll also need to select an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Always review your order details carefully before confirming. When it's time to sell, the process is very similar to buying. Return to the Trade tab, select the stock you wish to sell from your holdings, and enter the quantity of shares. Again, you'll choose an order type, such as a market or limit order, depending on your strategy. After selling, it's important to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and adjust your investments as needed. Staying informed and proactive is vital for long-term success in the stock market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.